How many years make up a millennium? 500, 1000, 10,000, 100. The correct answer is 1000. Which region is the coldest inhabited place on Earth? Antarctica, Oymyakon, Russia, Northern Canada, Greenland. The correct answer is Oymyakon, Russia. Which country is doubly landlocked, surrounded only by landlocked countries? Uzbekistan, Paraguay, Nepal, Kazakhstan. The correct answer is Uzbekistan. In which country is the world's tallest building located? United Arab Emirates, China, USA, Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is United Arab Emirates. How long does sunlight take to reach Earth from the Sun? 8 minutes 20 seconds, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 minutes. The correct answer is 8 minutes 20 seconds. What is the capital city of Germany? Berlin, München, Hamburg, Frankfurt. The correct answer is Berlin. What is the name of the device that allows people in a submarine to see above the surface? Telescope, microscope, periscope, endoscope. The correct answer is periscope. In which fairy tale does a young girl live with 3 bears? Snow White, Goldilocks, Little Red Riding Hood, The Little Mermaid. The correct answer is Goldilocks. Which planet rotates the fastest in our solar system? Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn. The correct answer is Jupiter. What Italian frozen dessert is similar to ice cream but denser and creamier? Sorbet, gelato, granita, tiramisu. The correct answer is gelato. What is the name of the deep lake in the Andes Mountains of Peru? Lake Pupo, Lake Maracaibo, Lake Titicaca, Lake Atitlan. The correct answer is Lake Titicaca. What is the peninsula in Europe that includes Denmark and part of Germany? Jutland, Iberian, Scandinavian, Balkan. The correct answer is Jutland. Which 2 nations were involved in this 100 Years' War, 1337 to 1453? England and France, Spain and Portugal, Germany and Italy, Russia and Poland. The correct answer is England and France. What color is a polar bear's skin beneath its white fur? White, gray, black, pink. The correct answer is black. When was the north face of the Eiger first successfully climbed? 1856, 1938, 1965, 1991. The correct answer is 1938.